Hello guys, so today I'm going to talk to you about Dezgo AI. So Dezgo AI is a AI tool that is focused on generating images from a text description. So as you can see, it's powered by Stable Diffusion AI, and the way it works is, as you can see here, we have the prompt part where we should add a description of the image that we want to create. So let's just add, say, a deer standing by a lake surrounded by trees. And you can just basically click run and it will create an option. But if you need to, or if you want to have a bit more control and do more things in this process. So here, first of all, you can choose a model. So these are the different AI models, and as you can see, they all have different styles of creation. So whatever you need, whatever fits your needs, you will choose that. So I will just choose this one. For example, as you can see, there are some options that are available in the paid service, so we're not going to go into those now. You can choose the image resolution here. What do you want it to be? Portrait, square, or landscape? You can also enter a negative prompt, so things that you don't want to see in the image. And then guidance. So guidance, basically, as you can see, it says here, adjust how much the AI tries to fit the prompt. So basically, it adjusts how much the AI tool has freedom. So how much it can go off the rails. So if you wanted to strictly follow the things that you said, you put it on to the highest value. Here, as you can see, we have the some other options. So you have the sampler, you can upscale, but that's also in the power mode. I accidentally clicked that. So yeah, and when you are happy with the way the settings are set, you just click on run. And when we click on run, it will take some time to get the results. By the way, these are not the only things that this AI tool can do. So as we can see here, you have the control text to image, you have image to image, you have upscale, and you even have the beta version of text to video. So you can use other images to create an image. You can use upscale to basically upscale the quality of an image you already have. And let's see now what we got. So yeah, I would say that this is a really good image, and it's definitely the thing that I asked it to create. So yeah, thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful to you.